Hello students, welcome to E-classes of P.N. Amerse High School. We will continue with our chapter number 3, Playing with Numbers, exercise 3.3. Question number 3. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. Here we have to conduct a divisibility test on these numbers and we have to find out whether they are divisible by 6 or not. Sum number A of question number 3, 2,97,144. We have to find out whether this number is divisible by 6 or not. According to the divisibility rule of 6, if the number is divisible by 2 and by 3, then only it is divisible by 6. So first we have to find out whether the given number is divisible by 2 and by 3 or not. Solution for sum number A. The unit digit of 2,97,144 is 4, so the number is divisible by 2. As per the rules of divisibility by 2, if the unit digit of any number is 02468, then the number is divisible by 2. Here the unit digit is 4, so the number is divisible by 2. To find out whether the number is divisible by 3, we have to add all the digits of the given number. Here we have to add 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4. We will get 27. Now, if 27 is a multiple of 3, then only the number is divisible by 3. 27 is a multiple of 3. 3 9 is 27. So, 2,97,144 is divisible by 3. As 2,97,144 is divisible by 2 and 3 both, therefore 2,97,144 is divisible by 6. Sum number B of question number 3, 1,258. Solution for sum number B, 1,258. The unit digit of 1,258 is 8, so the number is divisible by 2. As per the rules of divisibility by 2, if the number has 02468 as a unit digit, then the number is divisible by 2. To find out whether the number is divisible by 3 or not, we have to add all the digits of the number. So we will add 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8. By adding all these digits, we get 16, and 16 is not a multiple of 3. So 1,258 is not divisible by 3. According to the rules of divisibility by 3, if we add all the digits of the number and the answer is not a multiple of 3, then the number is also not divisible by 3. As 1,258 is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3, therefore 1,258 is not divisible by 6. Sum number C of question number 3, 4,335. Here again we have to see whether the number is divisible by 2 and 3. If it is divisible by 2 and 3, then only it will be divisible by 6. Solution for sum number C. The unit digit of 4,335 is 5, so the number is not divisible by 2. As per the rule of divisibility by 2, if the unit digit is 02468, then only the number is divisible by 2. Here the unit digit is 5, so the number is not divisible by 2. Again, to find out whether the number is divisible by 3, first we have to add all the digits of the given number. So first we will add 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5. By adding all these digits, we get 15. And 15 is a multiple of 3. So 4,335 is divisible by 3. As 4,335 is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3. Therefore 4,335 is not divisible by 6. Student, try to solve the remaining sums by yourself. Now question number 4 of exercise 3.3. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. Here we have to conduct divisibility test on these numbers to find out whether they are divisible by 11 or not. As per the rules of divisibility by 11, the difference between the sum of the digits at the odd place and the sum of the digits at the even place should be 0 or any number which is divisible by 11. Then only the number is divisible by 11. Now sum number A of question number 4, 5,445. We have to see whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. Solution for sum number A, 5445. As I've explained you earlier in question number 1, to find out whether the number is divisible by 11 or not, first we have to assign numbers to these digits. Suppose here we write 1, 2, 3 and 4. At 1 we have 5, and at 2 we have 4, and at 3 we have 4 digit, and at 4 we have 5. Here 1 and 3 are odd places and 2 and 4 are even places. So digits at the odd places are 5 and 4, and digits at the even places are 4 and 5. So for this, first we have to find out the sum of the digits at the even places and sum of the digits at the odd places. So for this, first we have to find out the sum of the digits at the even places and sum of the digits at the odd places. Sum of the even place digits. As I've explained you earlier that 4 and 5 are the digits at the even places. So by adding 4 and 5 we get 9. Sum of the odd place digit. The digits at the odd place were 5 and 4. So we will add 5 and 4, we get 9. Now we have to find out the difference of the sum of the even place digit and sum of the odd place digit. By subtracting 9 from 9 we get 0. Here the answer should be 0 and any number which is divisible by 11. Then only the number will be divisible by 11. So here the answer is 0. Therefore 5445 is divisible by 11. Sum number B of question number 4, 10,824. Now solution for sum number B, 10,824. Here again, first we have to find out sum of the digits at the even places and sum of the digits at the odd place. As I've explained you earlier, if we assign the numbers to these digits, here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the digits at the even places are 2 and 0. So sum of the even place digit is equals to 2 plus 0 is equals to 2. And sum of the odd place digit, here the digits at the odd places are 4, 8 and 1. So by adding 4, 8 and 1 we get 13. Now we have to find out the difference between the sum of the digits at the odd place and the sum of the digits at the even places. If we subtract 13 and 2 we get 11. Therefore 10,824 is divisible by 11. Sum number C of question number 4, 71,38,965. Solution for sum number C of question number 4. Here again, first we have to find out the sum of the digits at the even places and sum of the digits at the odd places. Or again, if we assign the numbers to these digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The sum of the even place digits are 6, 8, 1. By adding 6, 8, 1 we get 15. Sum of the odd place digit, here the digits at the odd places are 5, 9, 3 and 7. By adding 5, 9, 3 and 7 we get 24. Now we have to find out the difference between the sum of the digits at the odd place and the sum of the digits at the even places. Sum of the digits at the odd places are 24 and sum of the digits at the even places 15. So by subtracting 15 from 24 we get 9. Therefore 71,38,965 is not divisible by 11. Student, try to solve the remaining sums by yourself. With this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.